guy needs more newspaper. So he doesn't burn himself in the glass. Down. Down, I say. Down.
Does it strike?
Hell yeah. The first night I had him, he bit me.
Has it ever tried to strike the dogs?
Who? Dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the dogs to get bit. That way you stop messing with them.
They do?
Hopefully. Robin, move. Because he's not like the other ones. My sister's, well, Candy's and mine, the mouths are small. This one has a bigger mouth with a lot bigger teeth. Open sesame. Come on. Get pissed. Jack. Come on. Not happy. Why don't you show me your teeth? Do like Lady Gaga says. Show me your teeth. Robin, back up. Where's the newspaper? Can you give me some?